Hello all, my name is Ravi Kumar and welcome back to our channel Kumar TV Telugu Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to select different colors to your backgrounds on PageMaker 7.0 application. Okay, many people want to change the color of the background, but they are unable to do because they don't know this technique how to select or choose different colors from color libraries. For example, if I want to change the color of this background, I'm drawing a rectangle background here, but it doesn't have any color on it right now. If I want to add any color, you can go through different options. For example, just click on this line and click the button on your mouse, and you can see fill and stroke option here appears. So you can go through this option, fill none, and you can see paper sorry, solid you have to select, and color you have to select one of them. Okay, which are already given here. Limited colors are only given here. You have to select one of them. Then what should we do if you want to add different color, if you want to fill the background with different color? What should we do? Okay, for example, if I want to go through some soft colors or light colors which are not given here in this list. For example, black, just click on okay, black color. How to change this color? Okay, actually you can add some other palette here on this right side regarding colors. You can go window and show colors. You can see here same colors are given there what we have seen in that drop down list. Same colors are given here. You have to choose one of them. Then what should we do to add another color? We have to click on this option, library option, which appears like a folder button. Just click on that, and you have to click on libraries drop down list. Here you can see many libraries here, more than 15. You can choose any one of them. Just you have to try all of them so that different colors are given there. You need whatever you want to take in order to fill your background with. Okay, I would like to select the very first one, crayon. Let's just see how many colors are given there. Here you can see the list of many colors: gold, green, magenta. I would like to select a light one, sky color. Just click on that sky color and click on ok, and again click on ok, and this color will be this is actually added to our color palette. This is already here, you can see the sky. So click on that, automatically your background color will be changed. So if you want to select another color, just go through the same option, folder button, and change the name of the library. Just grays here, I would like to go with grays. Just see how many colors are given there. Just click here, and different colors are here. You can see all of them are gray related colors only. So that I would like to select this one. Just okay, and if you click on this okay, it will be automatically added to your color palette. Okay, yes, you can see here it is gray color. Okay, so this is how you can add many colors which are given in the different libraries in our pagemaker 7.0 application, that is widely used to make different projects like for designing pages, for designing magazines, for designing newspapers and wedding cards, for books, for different purposes. This application is widely used by different people, so that many people are willingly you know practicing it, but unfortunately they don't have 100% idea to use it for better things. So that's the reason why I have uploaded this video. If you find out this video is very much useful to you, just click on the like button and leave a comment on the comment section and share with your friends. And before that, just subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, definitely you can see that on your screen on your mobile phone, so that you can immediately click on that. You don't need to search for my videos, particularly on YouTube application. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And bye.